Hello, this is Marvelyn Brown with Inner Word Business Services, and today I'm going to walk you through this quick overview on our tutorial that shows you how to start an online business. Now, we do this in about 6 steps, and you can just think you could be 6 steps away from a new source of income. And once you know how to do it, with one source of income, you can expand that to multiple sources of income. So let's take a look and go through this overview. So of course, everyone wants to earn from multiple income sources, but a lot of times we just don't know how. We don't know where to start. What tools do we need? All the resources that might go into setting up a business that would enable us to earn. So if you've been standing back on the sidelines, maybe you don't really know, where to start. And this is the thing, this online business thing can be very confusing. There's so many, products and moving pieces, and people are, kind of giving you lots of different ways that you can do this. There isn't one way to build a business. However, there are ways that are more profitable and ways that get you to your goal a lot faster. And so we have broken down all of the information that we have, and we put it into 6 steps that will enable you to move through this process and really understand it and have it make sense so that you can move on to accomplishing your goals. So the first thing that we do is we start with your hobbies and interests. So you will have a very simple survey that you take. It walks you through selecting 3 areas that you would be interested in pursuing. And that's going to be based on things that you like, things that maybe you have done over the years, maybe skills that you've obtained on a 9-to-5 job. We're going to put all that together, and then you are going to select those 3 areas. So it's not going to be like somebody just handing you a product and saying, go for it. It's going to be based on the things and the areas and the interests and the hobbies that you have. So the thing of it is too, when you are focusing on your interests, you know more about that area than most people starting out. And so that's really going to help position you as an authority. Next, we're going to help you determine the kind of business you should start. So you're going to answer 8 unscientific questions, and then the survey is going to give you feedback on the kind of business that you might enjoy. Now, this is just a suggestion. It's not written in stone, but it's definitely something that will give you an area to think about. Next, we're going to help you find a niche that matches your interests. So we're going to go back to those 3 areas that you selected in step 1, and we're going to help you to find a niche. And the niche is just an area of specialty. We're going to help you to research that niche. We're going to take you online, show you how to research your niche, and find the niche that works for you. And now, think about this. We're at I believe this is step number 4. But we're at, we're kind of into the process, and we're just getting to the point where we are going to select a product. So then once we select this product, guess what? It's going to match your interests. And so the products that you promote should be products that maybe you've used before, products that you have an interest in, products that match your hobby, skills, and interests, and the niche that you have selected. And then once you do that, number 1, it's going to further solidify you as an authority. Because if you have had a hobby and you've been doing this hobby for a long time, you have probably used, most of the products that are on the market, or you have knowledge of the products that are on the market. And so when you select a product, this will be a product that you are very familiar with, which also helps you to do a better job of promoting it. Next, we're going to help you to choose a platform. So your platform is how you communicate with your audience. So you're going to select the platform, and there are lots of different platforms that you can choose, based on the product, based on your personal preferences, etc. And then we're also going to give you some training resources. So these are going to be affordable training resources in addition to this tutorial that will show you how to build passive income. You want to build your audience. You want to be able to set up your business with systems that will work for you 24/7. So this will enable you to earn passive income. Passive income means that you are not physically having to be present to process transactions. So you're going to set up systems that will generate leads, that will follow up with those leads, that will process payments when people want to make a purchase. And then also, once someone becomes your customer, you want to, get them back into your funnel or into your environment again. You want repeat customers. And so you have to set up systems, and this training is going to show you how to do that. Now, we're also going to show you we're going to help you to learn about attraction marketing. And when you learn this from the beginning, it really helps you to save time and wasted energy, because a lot of times when you're, approaching your business in the wrong way, it really does help you, or it causes you rather, to spin your wheels. So this is going to be, when you put all this together, this training is really going to help to get you off to a really great start. You're going to have a platform, you're going to have a product, you're going to have a system, you're going to create systems that will enable you to process payments on autopilot, and actually have a system that works for you, that does the heavy lifting 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I hope that you will consider taking this free course, this free tutorial, and you can actually sign up right here. So if you go to innerwordservices.com/get_started, that will take you to the course. You can sign up. And then once you sign up, you're going to get a free workbook. That workbook is also going to walk you through the tutorial. And the other thing that I would, highly recommend is that you subscribe to our channel. So subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification so that you will get our updates when we submit those. So that is pretty much it. Please take your video training. And this is the great thing about this training. You can go through it as quickly or as slowly as you want. And if you have questions, we're there to answer your questions every step of the way. So thank you for watching today, and I hope to see you in the tutorial. Bye-bye.